Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If the wealth of Bahrain reaches us, I will give you so much and so much wealth." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam signaled with his hands. Later, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away. Before the wealth from Bahrain came in hand, and after him, that wealth came to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. Then a crier proclaimed, "Whoever was promised by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam of wealth or has got a debt claim against the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam should come to me." I thereupon got up and said that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If the wealth from Bahrain comes, I will give you so much and so much." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu gave a handful of the wealth once and said, "Count it." I counted, and they amounted to 500. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "Take twofold of it in addition." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5977.